I'm back. I had a nice little, oh, not quite vacation, but spent some time with a couple of my favorite doctors. Minor setback, but I am at home. And what better way to spend my evening at home with a little bit of Dimash? Excuse me. This one that I have up, it has been on my list for a while, but I haven't gotten around to uh, watching it. But I thought now would be a good time to take a look at it. It is from the ArnauTour back in 2020. And based on the title of it, it's just vocalization, not going to be any lyrics to it, which I like. I mean, I like the lyrics, don't get me wrong there. But when they just do the vocalizing, like with Ave Maria, you get to really hear him as an instrument. And I like that. So let's go ahead and take a listen. I love that deep voice. Beautiful melody. Oh, just sitting. A very subtle background accompaniment. Well, I recognize the song, I think. I'm going to have to go back and check some of my other videos, but it sounded like okay. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. And speaking of comments and followers, subscribers, whatever, I'm slowly gaining an audience. But what I really would like to see on there is a little bit more comments on the videos. That way it helps me to do things that are of interest to you. Up my game as far as the presentation and so forth on that. So please comment. The only thing I ask is that you do a critique or suggestions and not a, let's say, blasting me, because I'm doing my best on that. So, and I'm looking for ways to improve on it. But watching this and with the no words to it, it reminded me of one that I have on my list that is not a Dimash one, but it is from Jim Croce, who is a favorite performer of mine. Unfortunately, his life ended much too soon. But there was a quote from him where he was talking about he was going to be performing in a non-English speaking country. And reporters had asked him about it. And his quote, and I'm going to read it from my notes: "If you mean what you are singing, people will understand." And I think that is saying a lot as far as Dimash. even though he does sing some songs in English and some in Spanish and French, he's getting where he's doing more and more languages for his songs. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what language he is using. It's because we feel what he's feeling because he conveys that when he sings. And that takes us back to when talking about all the languages of the world. And the one that is the most common language around the world is the language of music. And he is a great ambassador for that language. And with that, it has been a long first day home for me. So I am going to wrap this up, but I'm not going to leave you wanting. I have got a little short clip that I'm going to add to this. So give me just a moment.
Holy shit! What the hell was that? What the hell? I don't even think that was on the piano at all. That could have been on the piano.
يمكن أثبت